Welcome to IQ Quiz. Can you name these 20 countries just from their flags? Only a girl can guess all 20 correctly without Googling. Each one is harder than the last one. Question 10 is where the real test begins. Which country flag is this? Answer A, USA. Can you guess this flag? Answer B, Brazil. Guess this flag. Answer B, Japan. Please like and follow if you get first 3 answers correct. Which country flag is this? Answer C, Australia. Can you guess this flag? Answer A, Canada. Guess this flag. Answer A, China. Which country flag is this? Answer B, Russia. Can you guess this flag? Answer B, Argentina. Guess this flag. Answer C, Germany. Hold the comment button and select one emoji and comment below. Which country flag is this? Answer A, France. Can you guess this flag? Answer A, Italy. Guess this flag. Answer A, Spain. Which country flag is this? Answer C, United Kingdom. Can you guess this flag? Answer A, Turkey. Guess this flag. Answer B, South Korea. Which country flag is this? Answer B, Thailand. Can you guess this flag? Answer C, Portugal. Guess this flag. Answer B, Switzerland. Which country flag is this? Answer B, Sweden. Get ready for your last question. Comment your score below and share with your friends. Can you guess this flag?